how to move your asset from Binance to Bybit. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to move your asset from Binance to Bybit app. After you open the Bybit app on your mobile phone, go to deposit. After you select the deposit, go to deposit crypto. So from this option, now you tap on this search and search for the crypto asset you want to deposit into your Bybit app. So I'll just search for, let's say, XRP. So here is it now. I'll select this coin. So after you select the coin like this, so now you tap on this network. So now you select the network. After you select the network, so now you have to just swipe this to right to confirm. After you confirm the address, so the next thing to do, now you tap on this copy button. After you tap on this copy, some coins they will ask you a memo. So here is the memo. As you can see, it says required. So you copy this one. After you copy it, now you go back now to your Binance. So I'll open the Binance app. So after you open your Binance app like this, so the next thing to do in the Binance. So the next thing to do in your Binance, now go to your asset on the Binance. After you go to your asset, so now you tap on this send button. So from there, now select this on chain withdrawal. So from this option now, it will give you all your assets that you are currently holding on your Binance. So the next thing to do, now you just go and select the asset in this option, or you just tap on this search and search for the asset. So let's say I want to search for the XRP. I copy it address. So here is it. I will select it. After you select it like this, now paste in the address you copy. After you paste in the address you copy, so here is the network. So after you just select the network, as you can see now, sometimes they will ask you for memo and sometimes they will not ask you. As you can see now, as I'm not recording this video, they did not ask me for the memo. They just asked me for the address. So now type in the, as you can see now, long-term price. You can add a tag or just tap on this option now and type in the amount. So I'll just type in the amount. Let's say I want to withdraw, let's say 200. So after you type in the amount you want to withdraw, if you have sufficient amount in your balance, just tap on this withdraw button. So from there, the amount you selected will be withdrawn into your Bybit account. So now you can just repeat the process. If you want to move all your assets from the Binance to Bybit, just repeat the process. Copy the address from the Bybit, come back to your Binance and select the coin and withdraw it to the address you copied from the Bybit. And that's it, guys, on how to move asset from Binance to Bybit. If this video helps, like and subscribe.